Rescom Heating, Air Conditioning, and Electric Incorporated are located in Brewerton, New York, and were established in 1988. We provide service to all of Oswego County and Onondaga County with fast, exceptional, and friendly service. Rescom Heating, Air Conditioning, and Electric specializes in the installation, repair, and replacement of air conditioning and home heating fixtures. If you're looking for quality, professionalism, and a job done right the first time, then call 315-699-8434 today. This video brought to you by Haynes Local Search, assisting local businesses with online and print advertising solutions. Call us today.